It's summertime. I almost dropped this. I got a watermelon, and today I'm gonna teach you the ultimate summer infusion that I don't think anybody on the internet has done a video on. So let's get started. So I got a delicious watermelon here. It's summertime. It's the best time for watermelon, and it's the best time for liquor and infusions and having fun. So I'm gonna teach you my personal infusion that hasn't been done by anybody on the internet. It's the best thing out there. But before we get to that, let me teach you how to pick out a delicious watermelon. Check this out. The bottom of it has a nice yellow spot. Could have been a little bit more yellow, but you see it's got that flat bottom like those kids that have flat heads. And that's how you know it's a good watermelon. Plus, it's nice and hollow. You slap it, you give it a good smack and it echoes, I guess, or what? It sounds hollow, and that's a good watermelon, guys. And I'm gonna prove it. I'm gonna cut this up and teach you. Not just a great infusion, but this is how you pick a good watermelon. Let's get in there. All right, so I use a giant bread knife when cutting my watermelon too. I don't know if that's, I don't know, not good or whatever that is. It looks tasty. I'll tell you that right now. And from what I do here is a lot of work. You know what my favorite part of being an influencer is, guys? Writing off stupid stuff. Like, I get to write off this watermelon now because I'm using it in a video. No taxes on this watermelon, guys. There you go. You guys want to know if this tastes good, right? Here's the test. I was talking a lot of trash. It's a good watermelon. I got this mic right on my shirt, so you can probably hear me crunching on it. It's got that nice crunchiness. Not overly sweet, but the perfect amount of sweetness to it. I'd give this watermelon an 8.6 out of 10. I'm happy with that. Now check this out. This is the ultimate watermelon hack. You cut it open like this. You just kind of, oh yeah. You waste a little bit, but I'm an American, so it's okay. Maybe I should eat that. You know what? Someone will eat that. Now check it out. You slice it, and you know what's next. We're dicing it. Actually, no, we're gonna slice it the other way. And look at that, we got perfectly sized chunks. And if you know someone that doesn't know how to cut watermelon well, send this to them. They'll learn how to cut watermelon good. I'm personally sending this to my girlfriend. She cuts watermelon terribly. She needs glasses, and this watermelon cutting ability proves it. So if you don't want to be as wasteful, and you want to do slightly more work, just when you're cutting it, don't cut so close to the rind, and yeah, you can shave off more later. Probably a little bit smarter this way, but it depends how lazy you are. If you're like me, probably not gonna do all that extra work. All right, now that you have your deliciously picked and cut watermelon, this is the easy part. You grab your Crew bottle, got an affiliate link below if you want to check them out. They're super sick, super cool for infusions. And we're just gonna load this up with watermelon. And now, I can't help, I gotta stop eating this. And now this is the Sin City trademark. Nobody on the internet's thought of this before me. You grab your bottle of Malibu. If you wanna do a different coconut rum, something a little bit stronger, be my guest, but I am for easy drinking and sugar this summer. So I'm grabbing my Malibu and I'm gonna just fill this bottle up with coconut rum. This is gonna be watermelon flavored suntan lotion by the time we're done with it, and it's gonna be delicious. Now we screw the lid on and we wait a few days. Now this is probably gonna take anywhere between 3 days, but you can leave it as long as you want. That's the cool thing about infusions. All the liquor in here is gonna keep this from going bad. It's gonna be a good time. It's gonna be delicious. Let's come back in 3 days, see what we have. All right, so I was not just rambling for no reason at the end of that video. I was serious. You can leave these infusions as long as you want. And I left mine for 3 weeks, and I promise it's still gonna be good. Smells like that watermelon suntan lotion I was talking about. I think I have like 8 seeds in here, but cheers to our watermelon suntan lotion. Oh, that is essentially, I honestly would not know there was liquor in here. It's crazy. It's insane, honestly. Dang, that is good. Okay, now check this out. God, I love these Crew bottles. I don't have a fork because I'm lazy. We're gonna stab a piece of watermelon because I just don't know if this is gonna be good. There's no color. I say look and immediately drop my piece of watermelon. There's no real like red color to it anymore. It's kind of in the liquor, I think. So, that was actually kind of strong and surprisingly still crunchy, but I wouldn't recommend eating the watermelon. Maybe blend it up for a little daiquiri action, but you don't need to do all that. But speaking of a daiquiri, let's make one. Now this stuff is not strong at all. So what we're gonna do is 2.5 ounces of our watermelon infusion, juice from half a lime. Let's see. It's been a minute, guys. Like I said, last time I filmed was 3 weeks ago. I got it in, just not the right side. Oh, and it's so close. I really am getting better. And we got it. All it takes is a couple shots of watermelon infused rum. And finally, we're just gonna do a dash of pure cane sugar because that's the good stuff. We don't need a lot. Daiquiris are already pretty sweet and we're using Malibu, so it's even sweeter. Now the good part. Not quite a martini glass or coupe glass, but whatever I'm yapping about. Ding ding, that's right there is gonna be the most delicious coconut watermelon daiquiri of your life. It's not gonna be very strong, but oh, is it good. If you're having a party, you're just having fun, you don't want anyone drinking too much sugar and getting sick, but you want easy drinks, this watermelon daiquiri is not only the drink of the summer, but it's paired with the infusion of the summer. Guys, drink this, you want something straight? This is your elegant drink for the party. This is the video of the summer, not just the infusion of the summer, not just the drink of the summer, but the video of the summer. If you guys wanna see more infusions, let me know. Drop a comment. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cheers, I'll see you in the next video. That is so good.